So in a fire emergency, time is critical to unit response. Today's fire dispatchers need some specialized tools to be able to handle their day-to-day operations. So with Intergraph's CAD and mobile products, we've got out-of-the-box fire configurations that are going to be set up to meet most of the agency's needs. This is going to save them time and money. As a true multi-agency software fire vendor, Intergraph understands the needs of a fire and EMS agency, including who needs to respond. One of the other cool tools is a response plan builder. So this allows for a multi-agency fire to set up specific requirements for their fire and EMS agencies on who responds to what type of incidents. So this is built in. It allows us to be able to pull this response plan builder up. And like in this example, we can see our standard fire response to a commercial structure fire. But let's go ahead and add a couple more details. So let's pretend that it's going to be a 4th of July celebration. We're entering in our pre-plan information. We put this in, we select the dates. We say it's going to be between July 1st and July 5th. And if it falls within that range, we want to include an additional engine. So now this tool gives us that ability. We can preset mutual aid responses, and whether it's a paid department or a volunteer department or even a combination of both, our response plan builder is going to be able to grab and fit those needs. It used to be that a fire CAD could come in, set up a single agency, and allow that unit to respond to their activities in a quick manner. In today's world, though, with all the consolidations, things are different, and it takes a true multi-agency software to really be able to handle it. For example, Westchester County, New York, they have 58 fire agencies and 42 EMS agencies. They're all working together, all within the Intergraph CAD software. I'd say that that's multi-agency. With Intergraph's new Mobile for Public Safety, it's easier than ever for units in the field to be able to get the tools to handle their unique requirements. Whether changing persons on the apparatus, or in this case, transporting to a hospital, that new mobile allows these units to be able to handle it easily. So in this case here, we see a unit that's been dispatched, they en route themselves, they arrive themselves, and now they're going to transport to the hospital. With an AVL interface, they select the button and it pulls up the closest list of hospitals. Now they can select this route functionality and it'll take them right to where they need to go. So as that incident escalates and the incident commander gets on scene, time is really of the essence. So agency-defined timers can be set up right from within the CAD or in the mobile to ensure that our on-scene personnel remain safe. We can use these timers as a checklist, or they can be mandatory items requiring action before going on to the next timer. The cool part is that all these actions are then time-stamped and available for later reporting. With the Intergraph CAD and mobile products, agencies can be sure that the right units are responding to the life-threatening calls. From dispatch to the field, fire and EMS users require these incident details and these latest tools to make smarter decisions.